Welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of speed, power, and cutting-edge automotive engineering, then you're in for a real treat today. In this video, we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing hypercars ever built, the SSC Tuatara. Strap in, because we're about to explore the car that aims to redefine what it means to be the fastest on the planet. The SSC Tuatara is a hypercar developed by the American company SSC North America, formerly known as Shelby Supercars. Unlike traditional supercars that merely aim for elegance and prestige, the Tuatara is all about pushing the boundaries of speed and performance. And it doesn't just talk the talk, it's taken on the toughest speed records and made headlines around the globe. Let's start with its design. The Tuatara looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Its low, aerodynamic body is sculpted to cut through the air with minimal drag, and it features flowing lines, butterfly doors, and a teardrop-shaped cockpit. Every inch of this car has been engineered for performance, from the carbon fiber body panels to the aerodynamically optimized undercarriage. Under the hood, well, technically behind the cockpit, you'll find a twin-turbocharged 5.9-liter V8 engine that produces an astonishing 1,750 horsepower when running on E85 fuel. That's more power than most people can even comprehend. On regular 91-octane fuel, it still delivers a staggering 1,350 horsepower. The engine is paired with a 7-speed automated manual gearbox, designed to shift in under 100 milliseconds. Now, let's talk numbers. The SSC Tuatara has been at the center of some major headlines regarding top speed. In 2020, SSC announced that the Tuatara had reached an average top speed of 316.11 miles per hour, 508.73 kilometers per hour, claiming the title of the world's fastest production car. While the accuracy of that run was questioned, SSC returned with more verifiable attempts. In January 2021, the Tuatara officially hit a two-way average of 282.9 miles per hour, 455.3 kilometers per hour, in Florida, making it one of the fastest cars ever confirmed. Beyond just raw speed, the Tuatara is an engineering marvel. Its chassis is a full carbon fiber monocoque, keeping the car extremely light, just around 2,750 pounds or 1,247 kilograms. The car has active aerodynamics and dynamic suspension that adjusts based on speed and driving conditions, making it both stable at high speeds and capable around corners. Inside, the cockpit blends futuristic style with functionality. You get digital displays, minimalist controls, and a central touchscreen that provides telemetry and control over various performance settings. Even though the Tuatara is built for speed, it doesn't ignore driver comfort. Leather and Alcantara materials give it a premium feel, and there's enough room for two adults to sit comfortably. SSC named the Tuatara after a reptile native to New Zealand, which has DNA that evolves at an extremely rapid rate. An apt metaphor for a car that's evolving the DNA of automotive performance. Only 100 units are planned for production, making this an ultra-rare machine that only the luckiest collectors and enthusiasts will ever own. When it comes to competition, the Tuatara is up against some real heavyweights like the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, and the Hennessy Venom F5. But SSC's focus on lightweight engineering, aerodynamics, and extreme power gives it a real shot at staying in the conversation as one of the greatest hypercars ever made. The SSC Tuatara isn't just a car, it's a statement. A statement about what's possible when innovation meets ambition, and when performance is pursued without compromise. Whether or not it ultimately holds the official speed crown, the Tuatara has already secured its legacy in the hypercar world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below letting us know what you think of the SSC Tuatara. Would you take this over a Bugatti or Koenigsegg? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay fast, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.